Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to download your Capital One Savor statements. Whether you're tracking expenses, preparing for taxes, or just staying organized, having these statements on hand is a game changer. Let's jump right in and get you sorted in no time. First things first, you'll need to log into your Capital One online account. Head over to the Capital One website or open their app on your phone. If you don't have an account yet, it's straightforward to set one up. Just follow the prompts with your card details. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Cards section, where your Savor card should be listed. Next, click on your Savor card to open its details page. Here, you'll see various options. Scroll down or look for a tab labeled Statements or Activity. This is where the magic happens. You'll find a list of your available statements, usually organized by month. Simply select the statement you want by clicking on it. Now, for the download. There should be a button that says, Download, View PDF, or something similar. Give it a click, and your statement will download as a PDF file to your device. It might take a few seconds, depending on your internet speed, so hang tight. A quick tip: if you encounter any issues, like the statement not loading, double-check that you're using a compatible browser or app version. Also, ensure your account is up to date. Capital One's interface is user-friendly, but if you get stuck, their customer support is just a chat away. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Capital One Savor statement. This simple process can save you time and help you manage your finances like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.